Today we learn Unit 2 Strings of Action. Look at the picture and name the action. Reading,
Reading,
writing,
writing,
eating,
eating,
washing hands,
washing hands,
drinking tea,
drinking tea,
sleeping,
sleeping,
running,
running,
jumping,
jumping,
walking,
walking,
singing,
singing,
dancing,
dancing,
sweeping the floor,
sweeping the floor,
closing the door,
closing the door,
crying.
crying.
Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it.